First off, when trying to determine marketing activities and targets, where do we start? Well, first things first, and this should be true of most of your business. Number one, know your numbers. You need the data, the historical data, in order to build the smart marketing models. Secondly, the user journey. Do you know the steps a user takes to become a customer? We'll pull together the detailed metrics concerning the user journey. Thirdly, you've got to know your conversion rates. Once you're able to measure and gather the metrics, the steps for the various stages of a buyer's journey, now you can start to calculate conversion rates. Fourthly, build your model. Fill in all your numbers so that you have a historical model that you can reference. And fifthly, this is where it gets fun, you build your scenarios. This is a scenario is a hypothesis or educated guess based on historical metrics of how much it will cost to earn a lead from specific channels and marketing campaigns. You ready? You excited? All right, let's dive in.